Hey everybody, what's happening? Son of a silver stacker here. In today's numismatic news and information for the 23rd day of October 2022, I'd like to welcome you over to Atmex so we can check out where those spot prices ended the week Friday. Before that, though, I'm going to let you know about that good morning to you with Tiny Numismatics. That's number, I don't even know which one number that is now. It looks like it's 262. That's a new start time at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. And then on Tuesday, check this out. We have the 2022 Anime Wong American Women Quarters drop. We're going to be starting that at 11:40 a.m. Eastern, 8:40 a.m. Pacific time, and we're going to probably see whether or not they turn on their anti-bot software or not. So hopefully I'll see you there. Now here we are at Mex. Looks like gold ended the week at 1668.30. Had a little pop on Friday. Looks like silver popped also, 1973, up 71 cents, and platinum was also up $20.40 to 9.56 even Steven. And then palladium actually dropped 3% to $63.10 to 20.54.50. Now let's head over here to the United States Mint, and we've been following bullion sales at the United States Mint, and well, they've finally updated their numbers on 10/22. Bam, 10/22 says, well, check this out. Now I've got October numbers here, and for the gold and the silver coins, we're going to focus on the silver for now. And what we noticed that we already had 4 months out of the 9 months that were capped at 850,000. Well, October, well, actually it was 3. We now have 4, okay, out of the 10 months, all right, because October's the 10th month, that we've had 4 months that have been capped at 850. And honestly, if September wasn't 17,000 short, we would easily have 50% of the months, 50% of the year capped at 850,000 American Silver Eagles. Isn't that incredible? And what that tells me is, well, I think October is done. I think October's numbers for their bullion is completely done. And we are here 10/23/2022. And I don't believe the United States Mint is going to be adding any more extra numbers to these totals right here. And why do you ask? Well, why do I think that? Well, let's go over here to JM Bullion, all right? And we know, as we've been using JM Bullion as kind of a gauge as to whether or not they're going to have something in stock, whether or not they're going to be, well, here, look. Here's the 2022. That's the monster box. There's the individual coin, and there's the 20 coins, and this is the mint sealed one. And normally I would think, and I've seen in the past, and you have too, that this would say, pre-sale, all right, with the banner across the top right there. And I would imagine this would say in-stock date, and it would say 10/29/2022. Doesn't say that at all. It says out of stock completely. And I believe that's going to be for the year. So I do believe that the 2022 American Silver Eagles will be gone by the end of this month. If not, well, I don't know. When I say I don't know, it means that this is speculative talk. All right, that's what follows. I don't know. That's basically what I'm thinking here. So in my mind, this out of stock means that that's it for the year for the American Silver Eagles. And I don't believe we're going to be seeing any more sales totals or production totals or any, whatever you want to call it here, for November or December. All right. And if that is the case, well, what do you do? We know American Silver Eagles got a heck of a premium, no doubt about that. And, with silver being the price at almost $20 an ounce, and American Silver Eagles being what? Well, they're not $37, I can tell you that. And if you do find them for $37, I'd say that was not a bad price, because I've heard them being sold for $45 and $47 right now, and that is a tremendous premium. However, if you want to start complaining about premiums, well, I think what they used to say back in the day is that a half a loaf of bread is better than no loaf of bread. And what do I mean by that? Well, let's go here to Seeking Alpha. And this is a Comex update. At this rate, silver metal will be gone in months. All right. So basically what I'm saying is, when I say that it's a half a loaf of bread is better than no loaf of bread, well, silver being the loaf of bread, if this is gone in 6 months, I would imagine, in my mind, I guess, I would think that paying a premium for something that's going to be gone in a few months might not be that bad of a deal. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom, because most of this article talks about gold. All right. Now, but this bullet point right here says, while gold deliveries continue to show strength with records still being set, silver delivery volume has fallen off of a cliff. Delivery volume was on pace to be the smallest since February of 2020. All right. There's silver and gold. And really, the meat and potatoes of the silver news is down here at the bottom. All right. Gold delivery, spreads. Here we go. So this is figure 10, spot versus futures. Silver, recent delivery month. While gold deliveries continue to show strength with records still being set September, silver delivery volume has fallen off a cliff. Delivery volume is on pace to be the smallest since February of 2020. All right, this keeps on keeping on. All right, the bank house accounts have completely left the market. They have only delivered 6 total silver contracts, not even visible in chart below. This is the lowest activity since June of 2019, and they're not kidding. Now it's figure 14 national notional deliveries. While delivery volume has completely disappeared, physical demand has never been higher. Yikes. Okay, so huge physical demand and delivery volume. So that's coming into the warehouses, right? Since May 1st, 43 million ounces have left registered metal available for delivery. Now, there are 38 million ounces left in registered. At the current pace, all the silver will be gone in 5 months. Isn't that incredible? I mean, that's just incredible. And to corroborate the story here, let me show you this. Remember I showed you figure 12 here, cumulative new contracts, saying this is the lowest activity since June 2019. Well, let's go over here to Twitter to our friend Michael, hashtag Silver Squeeze, and he's got right here, Comex silver vaults dropped to 304.1 million ounces, lowest level since June 2019. He corroborated that story, folks. So definitely silver is leaving the house and not being delivered into the house in those vault totals. Yikes. So really, I mean, are those premiums that bad if you consider the fact, if it is a fact indeed, that silver metal will be gone in months? The precious metal will be gone in months? I don't know. But that's pretty wild though, isn't it? Now, let's get over here to some scandal type stuff over here at the United States Mint. I don't even know if it's too scandalous, but I mean, I know, if you have looked at this and, you say, okay, all things being equal, it is fair and it is equitable that people get a chance to get this. Now, for that to be true, though, the United States Mint has to turn on their anti-bot software. Otherwise, it doesn't feel very equitable at all. So here we go. If you're not familiar yet, the United States Mint on Friday, I believe, Friday afternoon, came out with an email to their valued Mint customers who had been subscribed to the American Women Quarters 3-roll sets. Okay, now I myself got one. This was my email, and it said that we are writing concerning your subscription for the 2022 American Women Quarters 3-roll set, the Anime Wong issuance. Due to overwhelming demand and limited availability, your current subscription order for 3 has been updated and is now set to 2. Yikes, I thought to myself. And I did check out my enrollments, and yeah, all right, so gonna get 2. Now, while I did think that was bad, it reminded me of a saying that, the guy that had no shoes looked at the guy who had no feet. Well, I seen other emails that have said your order for 3 has been updated and is now set to 2. But wait, it gets worse, because check this out. Somebody sent me an email saying their subscription order for 3 has been updated and is now set at 0. So I guess it could always be worse, right, folks? And that is terrible for them. I really feel bad that they're not getting that 3 that they wanted. And I'm not sure why it was set to 0. Maybe it was considered a duplicate subscription order, and maybe that's why it's updated and set to 0. Not sure why that's happening, but that's my only guesstimate I can think of if it was set to 0. Isn't that incredible? So what is your story? Have you been enrolled and subscribed to these particular quarters since the beginning? Because really, if that's, I mean, look, if you're even subscribed to this particular American Women Quarters 3-roll set, chances are you were subscribed fairly early on after oh goodness, the Sally Ride quarter, Dr. Sally Ride quarter even dropped. You'd have to get in really early with that nesting bird, Maya Angelou quarter. Oh man, this is so exciting, but not so exciting. I mean, it's just a lot of emotions right now, right? A lot of highs, a lot of lows. But I think that if you can get one of these, I think you'll be pretty stoked, even if you can just get one. And well, why is that? Well, let me show you here. These products, 100 coin bags, $40, 100 coin Denver bag is $40, 2-roll set's $36, and the 3-roll set is $54. Well, since the United States Mint made this move, these particular items at those particular prices, well, look at this. These are incredible prices, not being realized at this level, because it's a new listing. That's $450. That's easily 10 times face plus $150. That's incredible. 400 here, and that's a 3-roll set. $299, $239, $239, $229, $215, $179, $180, $175, $175, $155. Here we go. So these are the numbers, the maximum numbers that were being realized for the now quarter. That was the Nina Otero Warren, and that was 139. Check this out. That's our base starting, it looks like. 1 bid there, 10 bids here, So, wow, incredible, isn't that? 132. And what have these been selling for? Because that's just bids. Well, here we go. I'm glad you asked. October 22nd, that was just yesterday, sold for $175 with $9 shipping. This one sold for $180, $175 free. And $179, $499. You know what I almost said there? $175 and $12.60. Look at this, 3 of them. Best offer selected. I think that person scored. And now, if these are going to be selling for $300, $299, is $170 a bargain? Are you doubling your money? Maybe. But isn't that incredible that this has happened after the United States Mint made that announcement on Friday? Because let's check this out. October 22, that was just yesterday, Saturday, and 21st was on Friday when they made that announcement. 175, October 21st. So maybe somebody's been buying these starting up on the 21st when they made that announcement. Look at that, 110. Yeah, that looks like a score compared to what they're selling for now. 21st. Look at all these sales on the 21st, folks. Holy smokes. I guess after that Mint announcement, everybody said, I'm going to start buying up all these at this price. Isn't that incredible? How many am I seeing here? What is going on? I just gave myself the chicken skin. What? Okay, there we go. That is the line where they separate October 20 and October 21st. And at the beginning of the day, they were selling for 125, 137, 139, 129, 128, 199. Wow, yeah, 175, 139, 175, 139. As you can see, the price is pretty much steadily going up throughout the course of the day. Wow, incredible. So let's head over to those plus ones here this morning. I got to show you. Good stuff. Bam, there we go. What's the best time to go to the dentist? Well, at 2:30. Yeah. Ouch. Now, this is Winston Churchill, and who knows if he said this? I found it on the internet. I don't know. Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Winston Churchill said that. Maybe. I don't know. But it's what it says. Abraham Lincoln said if it was on the internet, well, it might not be true. And now let's bump over here to 99.9 KOIN. Three nines fine coin news radio. This is The Doors' Ghost Song. It's off American Prayers, Jim Morrison poetry put to the music by The Doors. Yeah, good stuff. Good stuff. Now, I want to thank you all for watching. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you do like what you're hearing, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. Son of a Silver Stacker. Out.